Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I am on a mission to organize my kitchen drawers, but I needed some help. And I got that help with these awesome drawer dividers from Ryqtop. These are the black bamboo dividers in the pack of 8, and they have made an amazing transformation in my kitchen drawers. First, right out of the box, I noticed just how durable these drawer dividers are. They're made of bamboo and they are spring loaded. This set would fit drawers ranging from sizes of 12 inches up to 22 inches, and I do have them in a variety of size drawers and they fit perfectly. What I like about it is it comes with 2 separate pieces, the original drawer divider and then an additional attachment if you are working with a little bit longer drawer. I really love the spring-loaded design on these. The spring is firm enough where you have to push a little bit to get it in, but why I love that is because I know that it is going to stay in my drawer because it is such a strong spring. On the ends of the dividers as well, there's also really nice anti-slip grips. The set does come with additional ones, so if you don't use the adjuster, you can add a non-slip grip to the edge. I love the versatility of these dividers. I have used them both vertically and horizontally in my drawers, and I find that they fit and work well either way. It's really nice that these are stackable as well. So in one of my deeper drawers, I do have one on top of another, which fits across the entire drawer and the entire height of the drawer, which I really love. These awesome bamboo drawer dividers have truly transformed my kitchen drawers. They went from complete disasters to actually looking very presentable, and I can find what I'm looking for. I'm so glad that I was able to use these awesome, durable, and stable drawer dividers from Ryqtop to help organize my drawers. And that's my point of view.